In Google Docs, we use tabs to make a paragraph. The tab key is on the left-hand side of your computer, almost in the middle, right above the caps lock key. And the tab key allows Google Docs to make a paragraph. So I've got a lot of information in one paragraph, and I want to really make it two paragraphs because some of the stuff doesn't go together. The first part talks about what I'm carrying to the beach, but the second part talks about what I'm going to do when I get to the beach. So I'm going to put my cursor right in front of I can't wait to get to the ocean. I'm going to hit return on the right side of the computer to take it down to the next line. And then I'm going to hit tab on the left-hand side of my computer to indent it so that I have a paragraph. I also need to indent the paragraph at the top, so I'll click to the left of today and hit tab, and now I have paragraphs. So the tab key indents the text to give you paragraphs.